Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine and safe at home. Children, I know you must be missing your school and especially your activity classes, isn't it? Yes? That's why ma'am has planned a special activity for you. So are you all excited? Yes? Great. So today we are going to do tearing and pasting activity in our book. And in page number 19. Take out the page number 19 of your art and craft book. Okay? This is page number 19. And the things that we are going to use for this activity are some colorful sheets. Which color sheet is this? Which color sheet is this? Green. And this is brown. And our art and craft book. Okay, children? Can you see the picture on this page? What is this, children? Yes, this is a tree. And most important thing which we need for this activity is Fevicol. Okay, children? So, children, are you ready? So, first we have to tear green sheet into small pieces. Okay? Like this. Okay, children? You have to tear the green sheet like this. See, children, like ma'am is tearing, you have to tear your sheet in the similar way. And we will keep them aside, okay? Now we will take the another sheet, that is brown color sheet, and you have to tear the small pieces of brown sheet and keep them aside too. Okay, children? And you will use your thumb and your index finger for tearing. Okay, children? Now it's time to paste. Inside the tree, we'll paste the green pieces, and on the trunk part, we are going to paste these brown pieces. Okay, children? You know why? Because the color of the tree is green. Yes? And the color of the trunk is brown. So let's begin. Take the Fevicol and start applying on the tree. Okay, children? You can take the help of your mother, father, okay, to do this activity. Okay, children? Now we'll paste the green pieces. See how ma'am is doing? You have to cover the sides also. Okay, these sides. First you will cover the sides of the tree, then paste the green pieces inside. Okay. As you can see children, we have covered the green part of the tree. Now we are going to paste these brown pieces on the trunk of the tree. Okay children, first we will take the Fevicol and we will apply on the trunk. Okay. Now we'll paste the brown pieces. Okay children, we have done. Is it looking beautiful? Yes, so beautiful. Okay children, do this activity in your own book and take a picture and share it with me. Okay children, I hope you enjoyed the activity. Bye bye. Have a nice day.